You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 351 over 110. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 351 over 10 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 11. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 351 over 110.